Ever wondered how you can ease menstruation pain with simple home remedies? Welcome to a journey of discovery where we unlock the secrets of nature to bring relief and comfort during that time of the month. Before we dive into the world of herbs, let's talk about some easy home remedies that you can try out. Drinking plenty of water is a simple trick that can help reduce bloating and thus ease the pain. A warm bath too can work wonders in soothing menstrual cramps. Over-the-counter pain relievers can also be used to provide temporary relief, but remember, these are not long-term solutions. These are just a few quick fixes you can try at home. Now, let's dive into some specific remedies that nature has bestowed upon us. Continuing on our journey through the world of herbs, let's turn our attention to ginger. Known for its potent anti-inflammatory properties, ginger tea can provide significant relief from menstrual cramps. To prepare this healing brew, simply boil a cup of water and add 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger. Allow the mixture to steep for about 10 minutes. After that, strain the tea and savor its warming, soothing benefits. This simple yet effective remedy is just another way nature helps us manage and alleviate pain. Now let's move on to our next trusty herb. Next up, we have the magic of heat. Applying a heat pad or hot water bottle to your lower abdomen can work wonders. Just ensure the heat is comfortable and not scorching. If you don't have a heat pad or hot water bottle, a warm towel will suffice. Moving along, we delve into the realm of essential oils. Lavender oil is renowned for its pain-relieving and relaxing effects. To use this remedy, add a few drops of lavender oil to a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. Then, gently massage it onto your lower abdomen. Now let's turn our attention to the power of diet. Certain foods can help alleviate menstrual cramps. Include foods rich in magnesium, like almonds and spinach, in your diet. Additionally, staying hydrated by drinking enough water can also help reduce bloating and ease the pain. Lastly, physical activity is a great way to reduce menstrual cramps. Gentle exercises like yoga or walking can help release endorphins, your body's natural painkillers. To recap, we've explored 5 home remedies for menstruation pain relief: chamomile tea, heat application, lavender oil, a magnesium-rich diet, and gentle exercise. Remember, everyone's body is different, so what works for one person may not work for another. It's all about finding what works best for your body and incorporating it into your routine. So, the next time you feel that familiar ache, remember these tips. Arm yourself with a comforting cup of chamomile tea, a warm heat pad, some soothing lavender oil, a plate of magnesium-rich foods, and a gentle exercise routine. With these tools at your disposal, you can navigate through your cycle with greater ease and comfort. Until next time, here's to embracing the natural rhythms of our bodies with grace and resilience.